side lying, front and back kicks. So these exercises are really good for building the bum cheeks, so making the bum stronger, and hip stability. So a lot of stuff we do in Pilates is to teach us how to keep our hips stable so that they're not wiggling all over the place, and to strengthen all the muscles around the waist. So if you straighten your top leg for me, Paul. Thank you. Again, check your alignment before you start the move. Make sure your hips are nicely stacked, your shoulders are stacked, the neck is long, it's relaxed. You've got your belly button pulled in. Your bottom leg can be towards the front of the mat with the foot underneath. No.
No, I do. The original one.
Yeah, can you bend the bottom one? Thank you. Paul's jumping ahead too advanced. So we're going to do front and back kicks. So again, your top leg comes up. So you're going to allow the leg to come forward, ideally on an inhale. Now, everyone's flexibility in the back of the leg is different. So you're going to take it to where there's a stretch, but you don't want that to affect your back. So you don't want to land up being in a position like that. You want to be able to keep this straight. Flex your foot. And then exhale as you come back. See how far back you can take the leg without this hip rolling back. So now you squeeze these bum cheeks in the back of the leg. Inhale as you go forward. Point the toes. Flex. Exhale as you go back. The more you focus on squeezing these, the more you're going to feel it in there, and it's going to lock your hip into place. So we'll do one more. Inhale as you go forward. The neck is long, belly button pulled in. Flex. As you flex, imagine scraping your heel through sand. Muscles are working. There's a lengthening in the leg. And relax. Feel that? You can feel those in the bums. So, like I said, again, this is really good for hip stability, building these bum cheeks. Also creating length in the muscles. The next video is going to be the circles, which is a little bit more challenging. So, see you then. Bye.